So let's talk about what curing your ink means. So for plastisol ink, you must heat the ink up to make sure that it bonds with the shirt fibers. And most plastisol ink is going to cure at 320 degrees. And a rough kind of guideline is to cure the ink at about over 320 for 10 seconds to get a full cure on the ink. So a full cure means that when you wash the shirt in the laundry, the ink is not going to wash out of the shirt and it'll stay intact. And it'll stay nice and solid on your shirt. So in a nutshell, that's curing plastisol ink. So how can you tell if your ink is cured? One way is a stretch test. So with the stretch test, what you're gonna do, place your hands in the shirt and pull the ink apart. And if the ink separates with the shirt fibers, it is generally gonna be not cured. So here we have ink that's fully cured. The ink stays intact as I stretch this apart pretty firmly. So if that comes apart, then you know you have not heated that ink up enough to cure it properly. Another way to tell is obviously to wash the shirt in the laundry. If the ink washes out, it's not been cured all the way. One tip for people getting into screen printing and wanting to screen print for other parties is to make sure your ink is cured all the way, because you do not want your customer calling you to notify you that the ink has not been cured because they washed the shirt and the ink came out.